Dow Jones and Nasdaq both traded bullish throughout the day. I asked you to buy at 12 to 80 levels in my morning analysis with the Asia session and at US30 at 30 to 33 820 levels. See, almost 110 points gained here and almost 110 points gained in Nasdaq 100 too. I hope you all profited with this analysis. Now, what to expect with the US session, which position you should take in order to profit, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the twice a day analysis, once with the Asia session, next with the US session. Do watch both the analysis. Let's start. First we look into Nasdaq 100 followed with Dow Jones. Do watch till the end. Do listen to it carefully. Do note down the levels. Trade as per the levels. Now see, one very important point I had told you in the morning also. I had told you in my weekly analysis also that 12200 is a very strong support. In fact, in the morning it tried to drop below 12250, failed to sustain, and see what a reversal it has gained. Also, another observation I did tell you that it is trying to trade in this channel and it is reversed. Now it is falling shy of 12400. One more observation which I have told you in the analysis is 12400 and 500 zone. This is a critical zone for US100. Once it trades about 12500, it will call for little more bullishness. Now let's have a further detailed look. Directional movement is bullish here. And if you look at the stochastic, this is overbought. The MACD is divergent and bullish. This crossover has happened at bottom. I told you in the morning also. And we can see bullishness. That is what has happened. RSI is also looking upwards. Now look at 2 hour on the 2-hour charts, forming the bottom here at 12 to 40 levels, showing a reversal sign. It is reversed and traded bullish, failing to break past 12400. Now let's see how it behaves at 12400, because beyond that we may see 12450 and 12500. These two levels you should mark and watch out for. 12500 is definitely a good resistance here. What it is trying to do so far, if you look at the 2-hour charts, you can see, if you connect the dots here, the highs of this channel are at somewhere 12600 levels. So this is a 2-hour chart bearish channel. Possibly 12550 600 is going to be an extremely good resistance. Directional movement is bearish, failing to cross over. Stochastic entering overbought zone. The MACD has crossed over. This is divergent and bullish, and see, this crossover is happening at a bottom. This may try look forward to little more bullishness. RSI looking upwards, showing strength. If you look at 3 hour, now see, another observation which I shared in the morning analysis is this channel in which it is trying to trade. And in my weekly analysis, I told you that it is trading in this channel. This is a bullish channel, and hence till the time it respects this channel, you have to be watchful. Precisely turning from the bottom of this channel, it is looking upwards. Now once it trades beyond 12400, you can buy again for 12450, 500, 550 and 600. Only and only if, now if it breaks past 12600, it will show further bullishness there. Directional movement bearish, trying to converge. Stochastic overbought. The MACD has crossed over, and this is a bullish cross. This is trading with divergence. This crossover is happening at a bottom. Probably we may see a little rise. RSI trying to look upwards. And if you look at 4-hour charts, you see on the 4-hour charts, flat bottom here at 12250 levels. Second and third green candle. Probably 12420 we may see it hitting. And in fact 12450, 12500 levels are possible here, because increasing body size, and hence once it trades about 12400, you can buy for 12420, 12450, 12500 levels. In fact, it can break past by those levels. On the downside, see, if it trades below 12300, you can sell for 12250, but then you have to be watchful of 12250. Do not consider it bearish till then. Directional movement is bearish, trying to converge. Stochastic is seen rising there. The MACD is bearish, trying to converge crossover. RSI looking upwards. And if you look at daily, now see on the daily chart, so this channel comes handy. This is a strong bullish channel here. Again, getting the support from the bottom of the channel. Also look at this. I told you in the morning analysis also, this is 20 period moving average till 12200, which is also the previous support levels. You should not consider Nasdaq 100 as bearish. Now see what it is trying to do: lower highs, higher lows. So once it breaks past 12400, it will certainly show you further bullish momentum. Might take it till towards 12450, 500, 550. And if you look at direction, movement is bullish. Stochastic is bottom and trading oversold. Possibly it can rise from here. The MACD is on sell side and it is looking forward to converge. However, right now it is bearish. Remember, this crossover is happening at a high, and what we did see on the daily chart that it is still has a downside to it. RSI has dropped too at a comfortable level. So considering this for the day, you can buy at 12,400 and see you can buy at 12,400, 450, 500, 500 first resistance, 600, and the till 12,800 level, till it trades below 12,800. Do not consider this for a reversal. Only and only if it trades about 12,800 we can consider this as bullish, else it can probably reverse. So yes, you can buy at 12,400. At the same time, you can sell at 12,300 for the day. Below that, 12,250 first support and 12,200 second support. Only and only if it draws below 12,200, you can expect that it is trying to trade bearish. We may see 12,000, 12,100 down. Remember, this is again a very strong support levels for Nasdaq 100. Trade accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss for these levels. In between 12,800, because tomorrow is the inflation data, it will definitely bring volatility. Let's see how it trades before this, and hence you have to trade extremely with caution. Do not carry over any position before the inflation data. Now let's have a look at Dow Jones. And yes, if you want to learn the art of trading profitable, you should join my mentorship batch. The 28th batch starts in first week of March. Reserve your seats now itself, because only limited seats are available. Equip yourself with the right tools, techniques and strategies so that you can trade profitably. Now look at the hourly charts. Rise, retracement, rise again. This is certainly trying to trade bullish. This is the bullish channel. It is now looking forward to possibly hit and achieve 34,000, 34,100 levels very soon. So that is the first part. Now look at the hourly charts. See, rise, retracement, second bullish candle. And if you look at the near term, above 34,000 levels, certainly you can expect further bullishness. Rather, I will say you can buy at 33,930, but then expect 33,970, 34,000, and beyond that, we may see it hitting 34,100 levels. That is the first part to it. In fact, it can try to achieve 34,200 also. If not today, possibly by tomorrow. Directional movement bullish. Stochastic has seen a drop trying to rise. The MACD divergent and bullish. And if you look at RSI, this is looking upwards. If you look at 2-hour charts, on the 2-hour charts, after the drop here, this is trying to create a bullish channel of itself. The highs are at 34,100 levels. Till then, you have to be watchful. It can try to attempt and achieve those levels, possibly. Directional movement divergent and bullish. Stochastic seen rising here. And if you look at the MACD, this is divergent and bullish. RSI is also looking upwards. Also, if you look at the 2-hour charts, you can find 33,800 is definitely a very good support below which you can sell here. Till the time it trades above 33,800, do not sell. Or rather, I will say 33,850 itself you can sell, below which it may try to trade bearish. Do not sell till the time it trades above 33,850. Directional movement bullish, stochastic rising, the MACD bullish. We have seen this. Now look at 3-hour charts. On the 3-hour charts, rise, retracement, reversal, 3 green candles, and see the bottoms are very well aligned. The highs are aligned too. Now you have to wait for it to break past 33,850 in order to trade bearish, below which you can expect 800, 750, 700 levels. Only below 700 we can expect a breakdown on the downside. On the upside here, 33,930 levels are coming as a support, beyond which resistance, beyond which you can expect 33,970, 34,050, 34,100 levels as the extreme resistance. Now look at this. This is a long-term trend line in which it is trying to trade. Possibly 34,150, 200 is the extreme resistance which it may not try to breach. Directional movement bearish trying to converge. Stochastic has seen a drop trying to recover here. The MACD is divergent and bullish. It is looking upwards. RSI is also looking upwards here, showing strength. If you look at 4-hour charts, you see on the 4-hour charts, look at this flat top, lower highs. This means even if it tries to achieve 34,200, 250, possibly it can give you sharper drop later. Hence you should be cautious. Then second thing is, it is trading in this bullish channel. On the downside, support here at 33,800, 850 is very strong. It is looking upward for 34,100 if it continues to trade bullish. Directional movement is bearish trying to converge. Stochastic looking upwards. The MACD has crossed over. This is a bullish crossover. This is looking upwards, showing strength there. RSI trying to look upwards, showing strength. Now look at daily chart. On daily charts, he first supported 32,800, then 33,000, now 33,500 levels. It is respecting those levels very well. At the same time, on the upside, this downward trending channel is giving it a very good resistance, and hence it needs to sustain above 34,200. Rather, I will say 34,300 and then 34,500 levels. Beyond that, it is going to fly high. That is the first part. Now, directional movement here is bearish on the daily charts. Stochastic rising. It has seen a good dip earlier. The MACD is in red. RSI flat. Considering this, I will recommend you to buy at 33,930, but then expect 970, 34,050 and 34,100 as the maximum resistance. Beyond that only you can expect 34,100, 200 zone is a very good resistance for US30. Beyond that, little more bullishness can be seen. On the downs, you can sell at 33,850, but remember 33,800 first support and very strong support, then 750, then 700. If 700 is breached, if 700 is taken, you can expect 33,620, 550, 500. The next strongest support is 33,500. Below that, it may continue to drop further. We can see it hitting 33,200, 350, 200, 32,900, 800 levels. I don't see it happening today, but yes, tomorrow's CPI data may bring volatility. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Join my mentorship batch, join my signals group. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.